Step 1, come over to youtube.com where you can find different videos and can earn free PayPal money here in 2022 by just watching free YouTube videos. I want you to click on any of these videos, and once you open the video just like this, you must watch at least 30 seconds of the video so that you can earn $10 for each of the video you watched. All of these are the payment proofs from all over the country in the world for all the video they have watched. Here is exactly how much free PayPal money you can earn with this. If you watch 5 videos you will get $50, and if you watch 10 videos you will get up to $100, and when you watch 30 videos per day you can earn $300 a day. And the good thing is you can repeat this as much as you want and keep on doubling your income. You just need computer or a mobile phone to do this. To do this, first of all you must click on sign up button on YouTube and it will take you to this page. Now if you don't have any account already, create your account by just clicking create account and choose for myself. And on this page you can create free Google account and sign up on YouTube. Once you logged into YouTube you will get this on the left of the page. You can the best of YouTube. YouTube will show you the best performing videos from each of these sections such as music, sports, gaming, movies, live and so on. For now I want you to click on gaming and it will take you to this page. On this section there are literally millions of people watching every day these gaming videos on YouTube, but they don't know how to make free PayPal money from watching these videos. But today I will show you secret strategy that no one knows and how to make money by just watching YouTube videos. And this are the payment proofs from all over the world for every single video they watch. This method is completely free and 100% legit way to make money by watching videos in 2022. YouTube is available in every country in the world and you can watch it from everywhere in the world to earn money. Now I will give you a bonus tip. I want you to focus on this category, Minecraft. Because it is one of the most popular game that is trending right now. When you click on Minecraft it will take you to this page where you can find a lot of videos about Minecraft gameplays. And these are live streaming videos that are running right now. And the second step is to click on one of the videos that are running and you will find this page. As you can see, a lot of people are watching this video and you can make free PayPal money from this video in 2022. Make sure you keep watching because at the end of the video I will give you a bonus tip that can double your income. And in few seconds I will show how you can make money from this kind of videos. And the best thing is you can repeat this for a lot of videos without limit. To these YouTube videos to actual money we have to go to the second website which will help us to earn free PayPal money. As you can see, people are earning a lot of money from this site using this strategy. On this site you must shorten link and you can earn free PayPal money with them. And I will show you how. It is very easy than you think. The name of the site is 7or6.com. So you must create account and shorten different URL then earn money. It is a very easy concept. And now I will show you how. Under this video you will find this share button. Click on it and you will be able to find the link of the video. And I want you to copy the link. And then all you have to do is to go back this website and paste the link into this box. Now click on this little button. This will help you to make this long YouTube video link make short. And change it to a brand new link. And now whenever someone clicks on this link you will get paid. That's how all these people make money from this website called 7or6.com. You can cash out your money by PayPal, Bitcoin, WebMoney, Perfect Money and Payer. There are many different payment options. So for the first step you must come to the home page and I want you to click on this sign up button on the top corner of the page. After that you will find this page where you can register. And once again it is free and worldwide so you can use it everywhere in the world. Now you must write your username, email then password. Then click on the box to agree on terms and policies. After that click on the register button. And when you log in this is what your dashboard look like. On this page I want you to click on this button on the top corner of the page which is new shorten link. Click it and you will find this page. You must put your link here that you copied from YouTube. So you can shorten it and earn money. Whenever someone clicks on this link you will get free money. So you must share this link to many people as you can. If you watch the video till this, please make sure you consider subscribing because I put a lot of energy to make this video. Here I will tell you the bonus tip as I promised before. You can make your income 10 times better if you make sure you watch the bonus tip. Go to video and click share, then click copy. After that, paste it in 7 or 6. Then write the topic of the video in the alias. After that, copy the shortened link and paste it into a website that many gamers are in. The website is streamcommunity.com. Now this is a gaming website or a gaming platform where a lot of people discuss about gaming. Right now on Minecraft there are a lot of discussions that people make. So you can paste your link there so many people will click it. So you can earn a lot of money by this simple strategy. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment your country below so I make a video that is available in your country.